At last, it's finally here. The wait is finally over. The Yamaha R9 2025 has officially been revealed. This bike is now leading the way in Yamaha's road-legal sports bike lineup with a bike that shares many components with it, the much-loved XSR 900 GP, following closely behind. However, sharing components doesn't mean these two bikes are the same. In fact, the R9 received significant upgrades in terms of specs and technology and looks like a more focused bike. Here we take a look at all the specs, tech, and features of Yamaha's now class-leading street sports bike. Stay tuned, guys, because this bike is going to blow your mind. How much power does the Yamaha R9 produce? The press release from Yamaha states that the architecture of the R9 is the same as the other CP3 motors and does not reveal what its power output is. Having said that, it can be assumed to be the same as the other models, which means the bike should have around 117 brake horsepower and 68 lb-ft of torque. What's new with the R9? While the motorcycle is similar to other CP3 models, Yamaha claims that the R9 frame is stiffer in all three directions, torsional, longitudinal, and lateral, giving the bike better feel, feedback, and comfort. The R9 frame also sets the record for the lightest item ever used on a Yamaha Supersport model, weighing just 9.7 kilograms. Overall, the R9 is 5 kilograms lighter than the XSR 900 GP. The front of the bike has a Kaiba 43mm upside-down front fork with Kashima-coated tubes. Each fork can be adjusted separately, with the right tube for rebound damping and the left tube for compression for both high speed and low speed. The rear shock is also from Kaiba and can be set for preload, rebound, and compression damping. For the front braking system with Brembo, presenting Stylema calipers with the best specifications for Yamaha's best sports bikes. The braking system on the R9 is already far more premium than that found on the XSR 900 GP. Another change that makes the R9 more focused is the riding position. The clip-on is mounted on the bottom of the top brace instead of the top as found on the XSR 900 GP, shifting more of the rider's weight to the front of the bike. This makes the R9 a more agile bike to ride, improving its agility on the road and track. Yamaha describes the riding position of the R9 as sportier than the R7, but more relaxed than the R6 race. One of the most striking features of the new bike is the R1-like front fairing, which makes the R9 the first Yamaha road bike sold in the UK to feature aerodynamic winglets. The technology features are almost the same as the latest generation MT-09 and XSR 900, in addition to unique features such as the Yamaha Telemetry Recording and Analysis Controller, or Y-Track. Now for the price, the Yamaha R9 2025 will be available in the UK for £12,250. The new R9 will arrive at UK dealerships in March 2025 and will be available in Icon Blue and Tech Black.